safety, please remain seated at all times. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. And please supervise your children. We don't want any unexpected turns in our story to Storybook Land. And the only way to Storybook Land is through the belly of the beast, the monster of the whale, the same whale that swallowed Geppetto. Guess what? He's going to swallow us too, because that's what he do, but don't worry, he's not going to hurt you. And once upon a time, there lived a big, bad wolf who lived in a cave just to your left. Luckily for the three little pigs that lived across the way in a house made of straw, sticks, and wolf root bricks. And coming up on our left, just after this house, is going to be where Alice jumped down the rabbit hole to chase the white rabbit down to Wonderland, where she became curiouser and curiouser and curiouser. And here's Cinder, London Park, where Peter Pan and the Darling Kids took a magical flight through the night through Neverland. With the help of Tinkerbell and that pixie dust, truly a magical moment for Peter and the Darling Kids. Won the hub in their hearts and won the hub for all of time. Straight ahead, Argobah City, home of Aladdin, Jasmine the Genie, and the evil Jafar. Though on this day is where Aladdin and Jasmine first met. Not only did he steal a loaf of bread, he stole Jasmine's heart, proving that their love would become truly magical. Just like the magical arches we're about to go under, those same magical arches that Aladdin and Jasmine took a romantic, magical carpet ride over, sideways and under, to a whole new world. And now we're headed to the Cave of Wonders, such a magical place. Some say there's a magical genie inside it, and the one that sets the magical genie free will be granted not one, not two, but three magical wishes. So will you join me? Let's make one wish out of three, set the genie free, and let's see what happens as we go through the Cave of Wonders.
Did you rub my nails? Did you bring me here? Did you summon me? Did you wake me up?
And to your right is where Snow White met the 7 dwarfs, and they offered her shelter because of the kindness of her heart. You'll still hear the dwarfs mine and whistle while they work. And to your left is the blue Cinderella Chateau, where her only wish was to go to the ball. So her fairy godmother granted that wish, as long as she returned home before midnight, otherwise her carriage would turn into a pumpkin, just like the one on top of the bridge. To your left, above Belle's Village. And coming up on your left are the flowers that resemble the patterns of a patchwork quilt, inspired by the Silly Symphony cartoon Lullaby Land in 1933. Stories like the Tangled Tales of Rapunzel, whose secluded tower is just ahead. Wishing nothing more to see floating lanterns on her birthday. Finally laying her hair down and leaving her tower alongside Flynn Rider and his smolder. And along the way you might just see Flynn's wanted posters. They just can't seem to get his nose right.
The wanted posters.
Oh, is that?
They just can't seem to get my notes.
And to your left underneath that tree is Mole's house, where he loves to go fishing with his best friend Raph. And right after that is Toad Hall. But don't worry, Mr. Toad isn't home right now. He's somewhere off in his motor car going on a wild ride, going nowhere in particular. And to your left, Arendelle, home of Anna, Elsa, Sven, Olaf, and Kristoff. where they learned that the true power of love was stronger than Elsa's magic. They even learned to let it go because the cold never bothered them anyway. Straight ahead, wood carver Geppetto's village wished upon a star that his puppet become a real boy. So the blue fairy granted that wish after Pinocchio saved Geppetto from monster of the well. And to your left, Grand Oaken's trading post where he'll go, big summer blue.
I'm sorry, I keep on holding your hand.
And to your right is where Ariel gave up her dreams and life of under the sea to be part of our world. Living in the shadows of her father, King Triton, though her adventures spill out like waterfalls of Atlantic, like the one on your left. And as we approach the dock, please remain seated with your hands on and inside the boat. Please wait till I count up to 3. Once I reach 3, everybody will stand up for balance, so nobody has to go under the sea.
Trying to get people to do the same thing at once.
Stay seated up there, friend. I don't want you to fall in the water. Crisscross applesauce. Thank you.
Not yet, baby. We can't go by yet. We gotta wait. We get for him to say, okay,
All right, my